Want your home to feel smarter, smoother, and way more effortless? These amazing Amazon smart home gadgets are designed to simplify your day, handle the little things for you, and make everyday living feel seamless. From hands-free convenience to clever automation, each pick adds real comfort without the hassle. All products are linked in the description below. Step up your shower routine with this no-drill suction cup footrest, perfect for shaving legs safely and comfortably. The strong suction cups and textured platform keep your feet secure, even on wet surfaces. Its ergonomic design and contoured handles support posture and balance, while the compact, lightweight build makes it easy to move or store. Made from durable PP plastic, it supports up to 300 pounds for reliable daily use. Add a touch of magic to your desk with this floating LED lamp. The light hovers in midair thanks to magnetic suspension, creating a mesmerizing glow that turns any space into a conversation starter. Touch controls let you adjust brightness and lighting modes effortlessly. It also doubles as a wireless charger for your devices, keeping your desk clutter-free. Perfect for the office, bedroom, or living room. It's both functional and enchanting. Upgrade your sink with this 1080-degree swivel faucet extender that makes washing hands, face, hair, or dishes effortless. Its 3-joint, 360-degree rotation design reaches tricky corners, while the foldable robotic arm saves space. Switch between bubble and power shower modes for gentle rinsing or powerful cleaning. Made from brass and ABS with a triple-layer splash filter, it's durable, anti-rust, and hygienic. Easy to install with multiple thread sizes and included tools. If your family schedule lives in 5 different places, this brings it all together. This smart wall calendar gives you a clear, touch-friendly display for events, chores, and daily plans. You can color-code everyone's schedule, so you instantly know who needs to be where. Sync it with your existing calendars and update things right on the screen or from your phone. Mount it on the wall or set it on a counter, and suddenly staying organized feels effortless. Tired of water puddles around your faucet? This folding faucet mat keeps your sink area dry and tidy. Its 7-degree slope lets water drain quickly, while the snap lock design holds it firmly in place so nothing slips underneath. You can fold or cut it to fit most sinks perfectly. Beyond catching splashes, it doubles as a drying mat or mini shelf for sponges, mugs, or soap, practical anywhere you need it. Going on vacation but worried about your plants? This self-watering spike slowly feeds water straight into the soil while you're away. You twist the dial to control how fast the water drips, so each plant gets exactly what it needs. Just attach it to a bottle, stick it in the pot, and let it work on its own. Your plants stay happy, hydrated, and stress-free until you get back. Skip the clutter of multiple weights. This adjustable dumbbell does it all. You twist the dial to switch between 5 different weights, from light to challenging, so your workout grows with you. The square design keeps it stable on the floor, perfect for push-ups or lifts, and the anti-slip handle gives a secure grip even during intense sessions. A built-in lock keeps each weight firmly in place. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for full-body workouts at home. Small items love to disappear. This organizer puts them on display. This wall-mounted drawer box sticks right to smooth surfaces, giving socks, underwear, and accessories their own tidy spots. The clear front lets you see everything at a glance, so no more digging around. Inside, dividers slide around, letting you customize each section your way. It saves drawer space, keeps dust out, and makes everyday grabbing fast and effortless. Snacking shouldn't leave your fingers sore. This smart sunflower seed peeler cracks shells for you with a simple press. You drop in the seeds, and it separates the shell so you can focus on eating, not struggling. The covered design keeps your fingers safe and mess under control. It's small, easy to clean, and perfect for enjoying seeds anywhere without the hassle. Cleaning high walls shouldn't feel like a risky workout. This wall cleaner mop lets you reach ceilings, windows, and corners without climbing or stretching. The rotating head bends and flips, so you can scrub baseboards, corners, and flat surfaces with ease. Soft microfiber and chenille pads grab dust when dry and wipe away grime when wet. You clean more places faster, and you stay safely on the ground the whole time. Your shower clutter finally has a home. This clear suction shower caddy sticks firmly to smooth walls with no drilling and no damage. You get a roomy shelf for bottles, plus movable hooks for razors, loofahs, or towels. It snaps on in seconds and stays put, even in steamy bathrooms. Simple, sturdy, and easy to move whenever you want a refresh. What if your cabinets only opened when you wanted them to? This hidden smart cabinet lock stays completely out of sight while keeping drawers and doors securely closed. You unlock it your way, tap your phone, use a card, or go totally hands-free, no keys needed. It sticks on with strong adhesive so you don't drill or damage furniture. It locks automatically, lasts a long time on one set of batteries, and keeps curious kids safely out of places they shouldn't be. Bring a rainy day indoors without the mess. This cloud rain humidifier gently drips water while playing soft rain sounds that instantly calm your space. You get soothing moisture in the air, plus relaxing aromatherapy when you add your favorite oils. The soft glowing light shifts through calming colors, making your room feel cozy and peaceful. It runs quietly, shuts off on its own, and helps you relax, sleep, or unwind after a long day. Waking up shouldn't feel like an alarm attacking your ears. This sunrise alarm clock gently lights up your room, copying the way the sun naturally rises. You wake up slowly as the light gets brighter, with soft sounds instead of sudden noise. At night, you can use calming white noise and a warm glow to help you fall asleep faster. It even lets you snooze, charge your phone, and set different alarms, so you wake up your way. Tea time just got a little magical. This enchanted glass teapot turns loose leaves into a beautiful brewing ritual you can actually see. You control how strong your tea gets by deciding when the water flows through the infuser, so every cup tastes just right. The heat-resistant glass handles hot water safely while keeping the flavor pure. It's elegant, calming, and makes you slow down and enjoy every pour. Want your streams and calls to look next level? This 4K dual-camera webcam gives ultra-clear video with AI-assisted autofocus that keeps your face perfectly lit. 3 built-in mics let you switch between noise-canceling, original, or live modes for crystal-clear audio in any environment. Sleek, compact, and stylish, it fits on any desk without taking over your space. Plug it into your PC or Mac and start streaming, teaching, or video chatting with professional quality visuals and sound. Say goodbye to cluttered shower shelves. This wall-mounted triple dispenser keeps shampoo, conditioner, and soap neatly organized and within easy reach. The ergonomic lever gives you just the right amount every time, and refills are quick and spill-free. It lifts off for easy cleaning, and the built-in hooks hold a razor or loofah. Made with rust-proof materials, it's a sleek and durable upgrade for any bathroom. Cutting tough stuff shouldn't leave your hands sore. These cordless electric scissors glide through cardboard, fabric, and plastic with almost no effort from you. Just press the trigger and let the rotating blade do the hard work. The rechargeable design means no cords getting in your way, and the safety blade helps keep things controlled. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and makes everyday cutting jobs feel surprisingly smooth. Tired of bottles and jars tipping over every time you open the fridge? These clear adjustable dividers snap right onto your shelves, keeping everything neatly in place. You can expand them to fit different spaces, so your drinks, sauces, and condiments stay organized. They're easy to move and clean, and the smooth edges mean no scratches on your hands. Suddenly, finding what you need in the fridge is quick and stress-free. Why pour drinks the boring way when you can flip the bottle instead? This inverted drink dispenser lets you attach a bottle upside down and pour with a simple tap. You get smooth, controlled pours without lifting heavy bottles or spilling everywhere. It installs in seconds and works great for soda, water, or party drinks. Whether it's game night or daily use, it turns serving drinks into a fun little moment. Ever try carrying groceries and feel your fingers give up halfway? This heavy-duty grip lets you carry multiple bags, buckets, or containers in one comfortable hold. It spreads the weight evenly so you don't get painful pressure digging into your hands. You just hook it on, lift, and move everything in one trip. From groceries to paint cans, it turns awkward loads into an easy carry. Cleaning blinds doesn't have to feel like a chore anymore. This clever duster slides over slats and cleans both sides at the same time, saving you serious effort. Soft microfiber sleeves grab dust instead of spreading it, so you get a deeper clean in fewer passes. You can rinse and reuse the sleeves, making it easy to keep things fresh. It works great on window blinds, vents, and other hard-to-reach spots you usually avoid. Ever wish the light would turn on before you even reach the switch? This motion sensor socket does exactly that by detecting movement and lighting up automatically. You screw it in like a regular adapter and use your existing bulb. No rewiring needed. The light turns off on its own after you leave, so you don't waste energy. You can adjust how sensitive it is and how long it stays on, making dark spaces feel instantly smarter. Never run out of power on the go. This portable charger packs 10,000 milliamp hours into a small, travel-ready design. With 30-watt fast charging, it powers your phone, tablet, or earbuds quickly. Half charge in just minutes. The built-in USB-C cable is tough enough for daily use, and two-way charging means it can charge devices or recharge itself fast. Compact, powerful, and reliable, it's perfect for travel, work, or everyday adventures. Music doesn't have to sit still anymore. This magnetic levitating speaker floats in midair while playing your favorite tracks, slowly rotating for a mesmerizing effect. The sound spreads in all directions, so you hear music clearly no matter where you're standing. Soft LED lighting adds a relaxing glow that instantly upgrades your space. You control everything with a simple touch, and since it plugs in, you never worry about charging. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.